Hello students of standard 7. Now we will find square root by factors method. Finding square root by the factors method. First example is find the square root of 144. Now we can find factors of 144 by horizontal method and by vertical method. First we will find by horizontal method. 144 is equal to, we know here last digit is 4, it is even, that's why its first factor is 2. We can divide 144 by 2, so 144 is equal to 2 into 72. Now first factor is fixed, 2. Now 72 is even number, its last digit is 2, so we can divide 72 by 2, so another factor is 2. 2 36 are 72. Now first two factors are fixed. Then 36, its factors are 2 into 18, 218 or 18 2s are 36. Now 3 2s are fixed, 1 2 3. Find the factors of 18, 2 9s are 18. Now we got here 2 2 2 2 4 times, these are fixed factors. Now find the factors of 9, 3 into 3. Now in this way find all factors of 144, these are prime factors. Then make the pairs of 2 same factors. Now here first pair is of 2 into 2, second pair 2 into 2, third pair 3 into 3, pairs of same factors. Then write therefore square root of 144 is equal to, take one number from each pair. Now 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here and 1 3 from here. So equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Take one number from each pair like this. And then multiply 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So 12 is the square root of 144. Now vertical method. Any one method you can use to find the square root of a number. This is vertical method, write 144 here. But before that, draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. Write 144 here, write to vertical line and first factor 2, which is left to the vertical line. How to find first factor from the last digit? 4 is even number here, so we can divide this number by 2. Now you know here 14 is divided by 2 means 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4, so 72 here. Again 2 is even number, so 72 is divisible by 2. 2 36 are 72. Here 6 is even, so we can divide 36 by 2. So 2 18s are 36. 8 is even, so divide 18 by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9. 3 is divisible by itself, so 3 1s are 3. So in this way find all factors and write here 144 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then make the pairs of same factors. Here also we can make like this. And then write therefore square root of 144 is equal to, take one number from each pair and then take their product. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So 12 is the square root of 144. Second example, find the square root of 324. Now first find factors of 324. 4 is even, so its first factor is 2. Now 2 into 162 is 324 equal to 2 into, find factors of 162. Again 2 is even, so 162 is divided by 2. So 2 into 81 are the factors of 162. Now first 2 and this second 2 are fixed. Now find the factors of 81. 3 into 27 is 81. Then 2 2 3 are prime factors. Keep like this and find the factors of 27. 3 9s are 27. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These 4 factors are fixed. Find the factors of 9. Factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Now here you make pairs of same factors. First pair 2 into 2, second pair 3 into 3, third pair 3 into 3. And then take square root of 324. Square root of 324 is equal to, take one number from each pair and find their product. 2 from first pair, 3 from second pair, 3 from third pair. Find their product. 2 into 3, 3 into 3. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18. So 18 is the square root. Same example we can solve by vertical method. Draw one vertical line, one horizontal line. Write two vertical line and above horizontal line write 324 and left to the right line, vertical line write first factor. How to find first factor? See the last digit. It is even, so divisible by 2. Now 324 divided by 2, answer is 162. Again here 2 is even, so 162 is divisible by 2. Now 2 81s are 162. Then 81. Here 1 is not even, so 81 is not divisible by 2. But 8 plus 1, sum of digits is 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So 81 is divisible by 3. 81 divided by 3 equal to 27. Now 27 is divisible by 3. We know 3 9s are 27. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. 3 is divisible by itself. Then write the factors of 324. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make the pairs of same factors. First pair 2 into 2, second pair 3 into 3, third pair 3 into 3. And find square root. Therefore, square root of 324 is equal to, take one number from each pair. 2 into 3 into 3, it is 18. So 18 is the square root. Third example, find the square root of 625. First find factor. 625 equal to 5 into 125. Then 5 is fixed. Find factors of 125. 5 into 25. Then first two 5's are same. Then 25. Factors of 25 are 5 into 5. Now make the pairs of same factors. Two pairs are there. 5 into 5 first pair, 5 into 5 second pair. Therefore, square root of 625 is equal to, take one number from each pair equal to 5 into 5. And 5 into 5 is 25. There 25 is the square root of 625. Now solve practice set 30 in your maths notebook.